Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone recording with no sound. So let's get started. So here I will just here you have to just follow this easy step. So first of all, it is the most common problem. Okay, no sound. So you have to go to your microphone settings or the recording settings, and from there you have to just long press there, then you have to click on that app info, and from there you have to allow the microphone for the app use, and after that you can use your iPhone with your mic. So this is how to do it, and it's a very easy process. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.